In this video, I'll show you how to join the Shopify affiliate program just as I have right here. So to do this, just go to shopify.com and on the home page, just scroll all the way to the bottom. And then on the bottom of the page under Shopify here, click on affiliates. And then here, going to click on apply now. Now, Shopify is hosted on a network of affiliate programs that's called Impact, and that is also the website that I am on right here. They also have a bunch of other affiliate programs, such as, for example, Zendrop, TikTok, and more. But from here, just click sign up. Then you have the contract terms, so you can read through it right here, and then you can go to the bottom and click accept. And then from here, you will need to sign up for the Impact Affiliate Network. Now, I already have an account, so I can just continue with Google and sign in. But for you, you will need to create your account and add some details on how you plan to promote, in this case, Shopify. And then maybe some links to his social media platform and just some details about yourself. So go through the account creation process for Impact. And then after doing that, you will have applied for Shopify, and you can then go to brands, click my brands. And then here for you, there will only be one at the beginning, but you will be able to find Shopify. And from there, you can then click create link and then select a landing page if you want. And then here, click on the link. And now you will have created your own Shopify affiliate link, which you can use to start earning commissions. So that's how to join the Shopify affiliate program. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.